We're going to do a really quick update on our celery today. If you haven't sown any yet, then you can get started and sow them now. And if you've already done your first succession and you haven't started a second succession, then it's a great time to sow some more. You really want to do this in the first week up to the second week of June at the latest. When we planted the last lot out, I did actually sow my next succession then, so I'm ready to prick those out, and then we're also going to have a look at how the ones that we planted are looking and just tidy them up. Video 1 covers everything that you need in order to join in with a grow along, and then video 2 is the sowing video, so do check those out. Let me know if you'd like the link for those, and also if you'd like the newsletter, which gives all the details, including all the varieties that we're growing this year and a discount code for these seeds. So this is what my plants are looking like at the moment. They've done very well. I've got a little bit of discolouring there, which actually looks like it's had a bird shit on it. So I'll take that bit out. And then I'm also just going to remove these really spindly, very thin stems around the bottom. That's going to help encourage more of these thicker stems. And then we want to make sure that we're really keeping them well watered. Hopefully you did draw in all that heat. There we go, so that's tidied that one up nicely now. And then the next time that we'll be looking at these is when we're ready to start harvesting them. So these are a little bit smaller than the ones that we pricked out last time. And I'm just going to select 15 of the strongest ones and pop them into some soil blocks and then let them grow on, and we'll be planting them out just as we did before. So just digging my stick underneath to try and release some of these plants, and then very carefully holding it by the leaves, we're just going to move it over into a pot, or in this case a soil block, and then just gently lower those roots into the pot. Once they are pricked out, they actually grow really quite quickly, and then I'll be planting these out in a month or so. The seeds that you get plenty of seeds with them. They will continue to germinate over the next couple of years, so don't throw away or replace that packet of seeds. Keep them for the next few years.